Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is related with the coordinates annotation. So let's go to the screen. We can annotate the coordinates on the drawing on different way, but I have some list which I want to share. This is my drawing. So I will put coordinates here and these are my list. I have to open the Excel file. These three types I have the list from different sources. I got these lists. The functions are different of these three lists from each other. Some functions is matching but some is different. Okay, so I have to load all of these. First I'm going to explain the en one. En, just click here and click here. It will show you the correct coordinate. Okay. Second is easting northing without UCS word. For example, our UCS is not on the proper place. For example, UCS, I want to bring my UCS here. Okay, it is like this. ID, I'm going to check the coordinate here. So the UCS is not on the proper place. So here I have to give the command en1, enter. First click, second click, third click. So now you can see the coordinate is correct. Even we change the UCS, but when we put the command, the UCS has been gone to the word directly. So this command is using for this. So the third command is XY. I have to delete this one. XY. These two coordinates are here, but when we move these coordinates from here to here, okay, so the coordinates are the same. So we need to update these coordinates, because if for this area these coordinates are incorrect, x, y, u, select the object. So the coordinates is updated now. Now move here and here, x, y, u, select the object, update. So the coordinate, when you put the x, y, u, the coordinate will be updated automatically. The third command of this list is xyp. For example, this corner coordinate I want to consider it 0 0. So the northing and easting of this corner will be 0 0. Let me give two more coordinates here. So now I want to consider these coordinates 0 0. For this purpose, xy phi, enter, and then select the object. You guys can see these coordinates is considered 0 0 now. And other coordinate it's make on the base of these 0 0 corner coordinates. So if we check the ID here, the original coordinate will be the same. But now we want to bring back the original coordinate, then x, y, u. Select the object, enter. So now these original coordinates came back here. I will give the link description down below of these lists. So hopefully guys, these lists will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.